people, what are we doing this week? We are making vegan pesto. I ain't gonna lie, I found it in Aldi's magazine and we're gonna do it together this week. Check it out. Hi guys and welcome. This is Jamie Rose, Singing Vegan Mum. How are you all doing? This is January. It's Vegan January, January, and I have a wonderful recipe for you again this week. It is wonderful, it is easy, it is lovely. And guess what? I came across this recipe while I was shopping. Yes, I was shopping. Now, can I just do a quick disclaimer? I'm not getting paid for promoting Aldi. It's only that I shop there. So when I was shopping in Aldi, you know, as you're coming out, they have the leaflets, you know, the little things, you know. In fact, let me get it. So here it is. I saw this, and then in the front page, when they're talking about Veganuary and then recipes and all that sort of stuff, they have a wonderful recipe for pesto. Vegan pesto. And in our house, we love vegan pesto. And as a mum, I love my children having vegan pesto because it's an opportunity to add more greens to their food, etc. So, it's a wonderful recipe. I thought I would share this recipe with you because it's so easy. And vegan pesto is what we love in our house. We call it magic sauce. When they were going, Mum, I don't want to eat my dinner, it's green, I called it the magic sauce. In fact, their Auntie Marie called it magic sauce and it stuck. So even though they're bigger, we still call it the magic sauce. I'm going to make vegan magic sauce out of this Aldi magazine. As I said, I'm not getting paid to say Aldi, but I've got to tell you, this is fantastic. And of course, I have to give this my own Caribbean slant by adding okra or lady's fingers, depending on where you come from. Before I go ahead and show you how I make this vegan pesto, you know what I want you to do, right? Yes, you do. I know you know. Could you subscribe? Now, you know I'm trying to get to at least 1,000 subscribers this year. So guys, hit that subscribe button. In fact, I'll wait while you hit that subscribe button. It shows that you're good. Thank you so much. You did it. Great. So guys, this is how I made vegan pesto sauce that I found in this Aldi magazine. Check it out. It's so easy to make your own homemade pesto sauce. I've got here some Himalayan sea salt. I've got 50 grams of pine nuts, 20 grams of sunflower seeds. We've got a bunch of basil, some lemon, 2 cloves of garlic, guys, 130 mils of olive oil. These are all the ingredients to make your pesto. So now I'm just going to put everything into the food processor. It's all in. It's now just time for the olive oil. Watch the magic happen. And look how gorgeous that is.
It shows that you're gold. Everything you need you hold. All you gotta do is be bold. In control, you've been told. And it shows that you're gold.
So as you can see, I'm in the studio and I am recording. I am doing some vocals, which is some mantras. This is a new little project that I'm going to release to you soon. I hope you're going to like it. This is just me singing positive healing mantras, motivational words, and it'll be coming soon. And I'm really enjoying recording these songs. But here's a little listen. Show you exactly what I'm doing. Here it is. I am Guys, doesn't that look absolutely gorgeous? And guess what? It tastes tastes delicious too. You can add some vegan cheese to it to give it even more zing. You can even add yeast flakes as well, which I did because I did this recipe a few more times this week because the kids loved it. So guys, you don't need to go out and buy expensive pesto sauce now because you can just make it yourself. It's simple, it's cheap, it's really, really easy. Listen, I hope you like this recipe. I like to share my food, my music with you. I hope it blesses you as it blesses me. Guys, have a wonderful week for healthy vegan options. I'm your girl. I'm your girl.
It shows that you're gold. Everything you need, you hold. All you gotta do is be bold, in control. You've been told.
Hi guys, I hope you enjoyed this week's recipe. Don't forget to subscribe. I will see you next time.